Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hayle Santella and I upload videos all about living a happy and healthy lifestyle. In today's video, we are touching again on some organization and I'm going to be walking you through the new ERIN CONDREN A5 agenda in the daily layout. I'm super excited about this item. I recently picked it up with my launch day order. If you guys haven't seen my ERIN CONDREN launch day haul, I'll make sure to link it up here on the screen for you guys as well as in the description. That way you can head over there and watch that if you'd like. But without further ado, let's jump into this planner because I'm super excited to share it with you. Now, if you saw my ERIN CONDREN launch day haul, then you would have seen that my A5 agenda came in a dust bag. And I feel like that's a very nice touch for ERIN CONDREN. It really shows that this is a high quality piece and should be protected when being shipped. Now this is the A5 agenda that I went ahead and picked out. I did pick the camel color specifically because I feel like this is a very professional, neutral looking color. It can go with a lot of things. It won't clash with too many items. So that's why I went ahead and picked out this color. And I feel like it coordinates really well with the layout that I picked for the inside. I do want to mention really fast that any ERIN CONDREN life planner that you purchase, whether it's the agenda, the coil, the binder, they all will come with a perpetual calendar, and then also a little welcome packet. So this has a note from the ERIN CONDREN team, as well as some goodies and some coupon codes as well to use on future orders. So these are included with every ERIN CONDREN life planner, no matter which layout you pick. Now, as far as the inserts that I chose, I decided to go with a set for 18 months, and I picked the Just My Type neutral layout in the daily. So this is going to be a daily agenda for me, and I have 12 of the 18 months right here in my hands. They do come in packs of 6 months, and that is because the agenda really only holds about 6 months at a time. With the Just My Type neutral, it does have these really light gray tabs, which I think matches really well with the camel colored agenda. One hack that I want to share with you guys. So the reason that I got the 18 months, so it goes from July 2021 all the way through December of 2022. And the reason that I got those last 6 months instead of just picking up a 12-month is because October 2022 and November 2022 have the same weekdays and dates as May 2021 and June 2021. So because this planner isn't supposed to start until July 2021, I was able to hop into my agenda right away when I grabbed it because I took my October and November 2022 and switched them and turned them into May and June 2021. So all you have to do is cover up the month and put either a sticker or a label, or just go ahead and write on it and write the correct month that you're going to be using on top of it, and you're good to go. That's all you have to do to change this. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up and show you guys how I switched from October to May. So you'll notice right at the front I have this black tab that says May, which is different from the rest of the tabs that are that light gray color that come with the layout. So what I did is I just took my label maker and I made a label that says May, and I did it twice so that I could put it on both sides of my tab. And then for the calendar layout, I just went and took a decorative sticker and then a label sticker that said May and just covered that up. So now instead of saying October, it says May. It's literally that simple, you guys. And then when you flip into the weekdays, all you really have to do is cover up the little calendar header here. You can either just white it out, put a little sticker over top of it, cover the entire calendar if you want, if you don't plan on using it. But that's the only other thing that says the wrong month, and it's really simple and easy to just cover up and fix. So I'm really excited that I'm able to jump in to this planner right away and start using it. I've already started using it on a couple of pages back here, but I don't want to show you those just because it has all of my video plans on. And then I do have the rest of the months right behind it ready to go. I like having a full 6 months in here. I actually think I might add more just because I feel like this probably could be filled a little bit more. I feel like there's a lot of space within this agenda. The one thing that I don't like about this agenda, it's the one thing that I don't like, is that it feels really flimsy, to be honest. I feel like it's kind of like bulky. There's a lot of space in here. I wish it was a little bit more structured. And that's just my personal preference. Everybody's different. You guys might enjoy how flexible this is. It's all about personal preference. On the inside cover, you do have some card slots, so if you want to go ahead and put any gift cards, debit cards, anything like that, business cards, if you have note cards that you want to put in here. There's also a pocket right here. You could put a ruler, a pen I think would fit in there as well. Saying that though, there is a pen loop over here on this side, so you can go ahead and stick a pen in here as well. In the back, there is a pocket back here, and then there is a pocket back here as well. I've already got pages in there. So there are plenty of pockets in this agenda. I do really like the look of it. Again, the only thing that I don't really like about it is that it is kind of flimsy, and it could just be that if I add more pages to this, it might bulk it up a little bit more and make it a little bit more sturdy. But I do feel like there's a lot of like give and space in this agenda, which I'm not too keen on. So that is the only negative that I can think of about this agenda. As far as the daily inserts go, it is the exact same layout as the full-size daily. So you have 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. with an extra block time down here if you want to put any notes, or if you just want to put 8 p.m. down here. You have your mini calendar, your to-do list, and then a blank space down here as well. So that is the same layout for all of the other daily planners. Again, new this year, they do have Saturday and Sunday on separate pages, so you can go ahead and plan full days for the weekends as well, which I absolutely love because I am freaking busy on the weekends. Overall, I'm really excited to continue using this agenda setup. I do like that it has the standard A5 rings in it. So if I wanted to take my inserts and put them into a different agenda, I could. Or if I wanted to take different inserts and put them into this agenda, I could. I really like that it is standardized because that means that this agenda is more versatile and it can be swapped out with other A5 agenda products. And that's a really big upside for me. All right, I think we're gonna go ahead and end this video here. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and share this video as it really helps to support my channel. And make sure to subscribe as I upload videos every 3 days. Bye.